Our first guest tonight says Congress needs to pass that USMCA trade deal this summer. Joining us tonight, Peter Navarro, Assistant to the President, Director of Trade and Industrial Policy, Director of the White House National Trade Council. Peter, great to have you with us.
Good evening, Lou.
This is a very strong week for the President, for the administration, for the country on trade. The Senate of Mexico passing the deal with overwhelming margin. Justin Trudeau, it appears, has come to his senses and understands the importance of getting this deal done. And now we have only one question, really, outstanding, and that is, what does Nancy Pelosi think? What does she think, Peter?
Well, Lou, this was a promise made back in June of 2016 by candidate Trump to renegotiate NAFTA. He's done his job. He's brought it to the finish line. Ambassador Robert Lighthizer is working really hard on Capitol Hill to talk with both the Democrats and the Republicans to get this on the floor of the House and the Senate. If it gets there, it's going to pass overwhelmingly in a bipartisan way. And all we need to do now is get what's called the implementing legislation. And Ambassador Lighthizer would love to hear from anybody on Capitol Hill who has any remaining concerns so we can get this ball rolling. We need to do this summer, Lou. And it's what I call a high IQ, the highest IQ trade deal ever done. It's strong. It's going to bring back manufacturing jobs. It's worth about 500,000 jobs, a point on our GDP growth, 75,000 jobs in the auto sector. It all revolves around two things: a rules of origin rule with strong labor and environmental protections that'll keep our jobs here, not there, and also modernizing this agreement so that we get the digital economy, services, and intellectual property into the old NAFTA. And those three sectors, Lou, those are three sectors where we really have a strong competitive advantage in. So let's get it done this summer. That's the message, and we're working.
It would be persuasive, would it not, to the Democrats as well as Republicans to hear the metric, how much will the trade deficit that we run with Mexico and Canada be reduced?
Yeah, that's going to go down substantially. I mean, here's the thing. There's not a member of Congress who could go out to their district now and get any kind of credit for scuttling this deal. It's going to be talked about during the election, and the best thing to do for these congressmen is to support this deal now because it's good policy. It's going to be bad politics if this thing gets hung up in partisanship, because this is one of those rare moments where Mexico, Canada, and the U.S. have their interests aligned, along with Democrats and Republicans, along with farmers, ranchers, and manufacturers. And that's rare, too, Lou, because often these trade deals pit our farmers against our manufacturers. Not true with this one.
Well, farmers represent such a small segment of this 20+ trillion dollar economy of ours. They're going to be very disappointed that it's not a fair fight. They get like engaging those overwhelming numbers. I understand the importance politically of farming and agriculture, but when we look at trade, particularly now with China, in which we see emphasis being put on soybeans, for crying out loud, instead of advanced value added, highly industrial, technological trade, people sort of scratch their heads at what so many three presidents permitted to create over all these years. It's stunning stuff.
Well, the China situation, I was lucky to be in Orlando Tuesday night for that magnificent speech. And what the president said very clearly is we're going to get a great deal and a fair deal with China, or we're not. And the bottom line is, either way, we've got a really strong economy, a bullish stock market. We've got public opinion and Congress on a bipartisan basis fully behind the China tariffs. And guess what, Lou? The China tariffs are working beautifully. We're bringing back our jobs. We're bringing back our factories and our supply chain. We've raised over $15 billion, which ain't half bad. But my favorite is the fact that Q1 2019, when we came in with real GDP growth rate above 3%, a full point of that was due to reducing the trade deficit, largely because of the China tariffs. So tariffs are good. Tariffs are working. China's paying for the cost of those tariffs.
As you
Let's see
defend
what
tariffs
happens in
on this
Osaka.
broadcast, Peter, you will never have to defend tariffs because we report here almost nightly that they're working, and working, as you put it, in Trumpian terms. Beautiful.
Well, you've
Peter
been on this for
Navarro,
years.
thanks so much. Great to have you with us.
My pleasure, Lou.